Screamer 28 Alpha Heavy, Roger, stand by.
Should I do night shot or not? I don't know.
Screamer 28 Alpha Heavy, wind calm, runway 8, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 8, thanks. Screamer 28 Alpha.
Try without night shot, see what I get. I think it's better.
You won't see anything until they come down this way.
Yeah, it's crisper without night shot. I don't see the real colors in the real. If I could just hold it steady.
Okay, you can see their lights are all turned on.
I don't.
I can see him from here. You can see his strobe light blinking white. He's about to turn on the runway.
Is he? There, he's moving.
Yep, now you'll start to see his landing lights. There they are.
Okay. And I have to use this zoomed in all the way to see that, and you can see that.
You're gonna have to zoom it out quick too.
Because it's gonna come. There is he? Is he coming this
Yep.
way? Is he?
Not yet.
Is he moving? Like takeoff power yet? Probably not, huh?
No. He's just lining up.
See, the closer he gets here, I have to like. I'm gonna have to turn.
He's moving.
I'm gonna have.
You're gonna have to stand up.
I'm gonna have to turn to the left like this though.
There he goes. Hear it?
He just split. I.
He's rolling. You're just gonna have to unzoom.
Keep me from falling off this if I go backwards.
Okay, here he goes.
That truck's fucking it up.
It's alright. He's about to pass it. Now start unzooming. There he is. Ah, it's low.
Wow. I'm gonna fall off. I'm gonna fall off this thing. Okay.
Screamer 28 Alpha Heavy, contact departure.
Thanks a lot, 28 Alpha, good night, sir.